Wrinkles in a liner. My liner is a few years old and it seems to be getting a lot of wrinkles along the sides and on the bottom. Is this something for me to be concerned about? It's not leaking, no tears, just wrinkles on the sides and the bottom.
So if wrinkles are appearing and their liner is not floating and moving, there's two types of wrinkles. There's wrinkles that show up if there's groundwater that's pushing the liner out of place, and when it resets in place, it leaves a crease. That's one form of wrinkle. That doesn't sound like, based on what you're saying, that that's what that would be. Instead, what I would think is that's a chemical thing. They're called pH wrinkles, and they're like little spiders almost, and they'll appear oftentimes on the floor, and they go in all little different directions, and sometimes certainly on the wall as well. And that has to do with your water chemistry. It has to do with the pH. Long-term pH problems will in fact cause that liner to start pulling in on itself, and it starts creating these little wrinkles all over the place. Your only concern with them really is long-term effects of what the water chemistry is. I would watch really closely your pH and make sure that that is consistently taken care of. Are they hurting the pool? No. They're just unsightly. Is it going to lead to the liner failure? Maybe you'll get a few less years out of the liner, but likely they could be there forever. They're just not very attractive. But you certainly are going to want to deal with the water chemistry to make sure that it doesn't continue to wrinkle like that.